is the version we're going to start filming. So I'm going to click Script Breakdown. So when you used to break down scripts, we would create these things called strip boards, which would take us a week or two to create, and voila, now it is instantaneously created right here in the system, and you don't have to worry about losing it, or the wind blowing, and then all of your strips of paper go away. So we would take a piece of paper, fold in eighths, and create a strip. Write the information that you see here onto each of the strip. Now this is a 100-page script, so it's a feature-length film. It has 170 pages, or 170 scenes, and we would have to create one of those for each of the scenes, and then we break down each of the scenes. So if you just click on a strip, it'll open up into a breakdown sheet. So this breakdown sheet shows eighths of a page, the name of the scene, interior, exterior, all this information. You can put a basic description, words on black screen. It's obviously just a black screen, so there's no cast members, but you see the cast members here. Then there was a stunt, put all the information. So go ahead and save that. Eighths of a page is in reference to, we fold a piece of paper into eighths of a page, and that gives us an idea of how long each scene is. So if a scene is 3/8 of a page, it'll be about that much information plus dialogue. So, it'll take a shorter amount of time than, say, 3 3/8 of a page. We know that's going to take a long time to film that. It's going to take a lot of setups. You're going to have to film a lot of coverage. So those scenes take a lot more time. So these eighths of a page help you manage how long it's going to take to film. So it gives you a better idea of how many scenes per day can you film, and where you can crush them together to get the most time out of your shoot. So let's go to say this one. So this has multiple characters in it, and so you see here's Tank. He's number 1. He's our lead, and then Turner, who's number 2. He's our second. And then let's say in this scene there's a stunt. Fall from bed. There is a tank, It's a military movie. And large tattoo. Did I spell that right? I didn't. There's 2 T's. Yeah, I knew that. Yeah, so put that information in there. And that's for later. That's how you break each one of them down. So it's like you need a tank in that scene, then you need to go and find a tank, and then once you figure out what day you're going to shoot, you need to know that the tank is going to be there for that scene that you're shooting on that day. This is what this is for. Okay, so we're going to so then whenever you start organizing your scene breakdown, you're going to drag and drop your the strips to the best days that you need. So if you have 6 scenes that are happening in the same location, you need to group all of those scenes onto the same shoot day. And you can do that by either drag and dropping it like I showed you, or changing the shoot day number. So day 3, that one to day 3. And it'll automatically move it for you. So this will move to day 3. That takes a second. So there it is. You also want to combine your day, your night, and that's a long explanation and how to do this. I will do that later, but we're just getting started.